Alright everyone, welcome back. Today I'm answering the one question I get asked more than anything else. How do you stay so fit? Honestly, the secret is that simple. I just eat as naturally as possible. Take my daily routine, for example, I never skip my homemade yogurt. So many of you have been begging for the recipe. So I thought it was about time I show you. I'm going to break it down nice and easy. If you are ready, mates, let's crack on. Using the exact method passed down from my ancestors. First, of why bother making it yourself? The results are absolutely brilliant. Homemade is miles healthier and tastier than even the processed stuff you can find in the shops. Plus, it's incredibly cheap. Ditching those little plastic tubs every week will save you an absolute fortune. Also, the milk you use is a massive deal. Now, getting that perfect thickness and taste comes down a few key things. Your milk, the starter culture, temperature, and resting time. By playing around with these variables, you'll discover the exact style you love. Think of it as a personal journey to your dream yogurt. Let's dive into the basics. For me, making it is a tradition. My mom always made it when I was growing up. Pro tip: before you eat it all, make sure to scoop out a few tablespoons and pop it in a little jar. This is the starter for your next one. Right, mates, that's your lot for today. If you enjoy learning how to make yogurt, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out the next one. Take care of yourself, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.
Don't drop.